What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. As always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. We need the likes up, comments up, shares up, subscribes up. I don't think anyone ever shares. The likes, there's a few, very little amount of likes. Comments, barely. Subscribes. What's funny is 98% of my views are from non-subscribers. So yeah, that needs to change ASAP. But yeah, everyone like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Let's build this channel. Let's get up. But I got another video, another unboxing, another review. This is a bit funny because this is not my pair, but I'm gonna still review them. I definitely am going to get a pair for myself as I like them, man. Good winter pair, definitely. Let's get into it, man. So we got the Nike box that is always on the channel. Every single time there's a pair, it's always got this Nike box. This Nike box features all the time. But it's okay, man, we move. But Nike, please change it. You know, Nike on the top, Nike on the side, Nike on the back, Nike on the other side, information on the bottom, and the important bit, the label. So these are a pair of Nike Air Tuned Max. And that's black, 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 noir, 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 which is also known as triple black. So that's why it's a good winter shoe in my opinion. Size 8, UK 7, centimeters 26, BR 39.5, Europe 41. And then the style code, which is DC9288002. Made in Vietnam and all that good stuff. So let's get into it, mate. Yes. Nike Tuned Max. Have a look at those. Triple black. Very, very nice in hand, I must say. There's so many different vibes that these give me, but you know, if anyone remembers the deluxe ones that dropped a few years ago, very similar to those, but I really like them. So we'll just start from the bottom as always. Even the sole is nice. Look at that, man. So it's got like grey bits and then grey lines going all down, and then this bit is obviously what the TNs always have, tuned, and that's the TN Air, so that's tuned air. Have a look at that bubble, man. It's like more than half of the trainer. The bubble inside is like white, greyish, and then what you don't notice when you're just looking at them from far or when you see them online, there's actually a bubble here and a small bubble there. Midsole, it's kind of got squiggles on it, and it's got like an eye there. I'm not going to comment too much more on that, but you know. Then the upper is quite different to a lot of pairs, as it's not just got one bit. It's all kind of all over the place. So it's got kind of rubbery, plasticky bits, and then it goes underneath, and then on top of that is this kind of patent leather piece, whilst underneath the whole thing is mesh. So it's kind of layered, so that's like, it's quite squiggly, quite all over the place type of thing with that patent leather. And then again, it's got the plasticky bits all here, and then again that patent leather all around, and then squiggles. So it's so random, it's so like different, odd, whatever you want to call it. However, they're so nice, like in hand, definitely. I did see a few of these pairs in person. for example, Foot Locker and stuff, and they went down a lot. Like, they were like, I think 60 odd quid, but they never had my size, unfortunately, which was quite annoying. On the back, it's got another patent leather, and then like kind of feels like patent there as well, all on the back and the sides. This tab is actually embroidered, so it's got a silver swoosh and then 5 dots. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what that means. I don't know why it's done. And then again here, it's got the Nike silver and another 5 dots. These laces, I love these laces. I don't know why, they're just good laces. Like, whenever I have a trainer with these laces, I think they're so nice. I don't know what it is, but they just, you know, I think they stay like fresh more, and they look good when they like laced up. Like, I really like them. And then on the inside, which is kind of odd with these, is it's just like a neoprene liner. It's not a thick tongue like a lot of other Air Maxes and stuff. And then again on the back, that's good cushioning on the back, not gonna lie. Inside, yeah, it's just like a neoprene liner, and it's all like stuck on. It's not, you know, one of those detachable ones, which I prefer detachable. And I'll be honest, if sometimes they're not detachable or whatever, it can be kind of uncomfortable. If that happens, sometimes I avoid the sneaker. If I really like it, I would just cut it or edit it myself. However, I don't really recommend people doing that, as I just don't care. But however, you might mess them up. I don't really care much for them. I'll just edit them myself, whatever. No one's gonna say nothing anyway, so it's fine. But yeah, so it's quite a different shoe to a lot of the Nikes, but it's quite similar as well. Like, in terms of the bubble, it's so same but different. For example, you can say it's like Air Max 95 bubble, but you know, it's exposed type of bubble. Even the midsole is not your standard midsole. Like, normally it would be like one way, it won't have all these ridges and squiggles and designs on it. And then the upper as well, with the plastic, the mesh, the patent leather. And then a lot of times they'll have a toe box, strictly as a toe box. This more has a toe box, and then it goes to the side, so they're a lot different to a lot of Nikes, but so much like similar, which is quite funny, to be honest. But yeah, I definitely like these. I can't talk for the comfort yet, as I haven't even tried any on, so that's a bit annoying. These definitely a good you know, winter shoe if you can still get your hands on them. I looked in a few places, I can't find them triple black and in my size, which is kind of annoying. However, I'll definitely be looking in store more, because I've noticed a lot of things is when you can't find them online, you can definitely find them in store. Because I don't know what it is, I've come across so many Jordans, Dunks, all this extra stuff, mids, Jordans, all of that stuff. I've come across loads of it in stores. Traveling to stores is kind of annoying, but sometimes you got to do it if you really want it. I hate it, but you know, these winter trainers, definitely something I would want to do. I'll have to spray this up though, so it'll have to be waterproofed, just so it can battle the toughest elements. But I think that's it from me. Even though they don't fit me, I will definitely be having an on-foot video. Don't worry about it, people. As always, on-foot video to follow. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Share, comment, subscribe. And most importantly, take care, people.